This is why you need to crack your knuckles more often. It's not just a cool party trick. When you pull or bend your fingers, you stretch the space between your joints. This creates a negative pressure that sucks in synovial fluid, a fancy term for joint lubricant, and voila, tiny bubbles in the fluid burst, creating that distinctive cracking sound. But guess what? Contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. In fact, there's no solid evidence linking it to any long-term damage. So next time someone gives you the stink eye for popping, just tell them you're conducting a mini science experiment. Isn't the human body awesome? Keep those joints happy and crack on.